Let's try to divide 60 by 5 using long division. Remember that in a division problem, the number to be divided is the dividend, and the number to divide the dividend by is the divisor. So here are the steps that we follow in order to be able to use long division. First, we write the dividend on the right and the divisor on the left. So in our case, the dividend is 60 and the divisor is 5. Next, we put a long division symbol between our dividend and our divisor. So this is what a long division symbol looks like. Next, we find the leftmost digits of the dividend that we can divide the divisor by. In this case, we are going to choose 6 because we can divide 6 by 5. After that, we write how many of the divisor is in that digit that we chose. Or in other words, how many 5s are in a 6. And the answer of that is 1. Now the next step is we put that answer, which is 1, above the digit that was divided, which is 6. The next step is we multiply the divisor 5 by the answer of that division, which is 1, and then we write the answer below the digit 6. So since 1 times 5 is 5, we write 5 under 6. Next is we subtract the answer of 1 times 5 from the digit that we divided the divisor from. So we subtract 6 by 5, which gives us 1. Make sure to draw a line and put the number below the subtraction operation. After that, we bring down the next digit of the dividend, 60, which is 0, and put that beside the answer of the subtraction. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to repeat step number 4 until we can't bring down any more digits from the divisor. So we divide 10 by 5, or in other words, we ask how many 5s are in a 10, and we put that answer on top of the digit that we just brought down. So 10 divided by 5, or how many 5s are there in a 10? Of course, the answer is 2. After that, we multiply that answer by the divisor. So 2 times 5 is 10. And we put the answer below the number which we divided using the divisor. So 5 times 2 is 10. And we put the answer below this number 10. And then we do subtraction again. So 10 minus 10 is 0. Since there are no more digits that we can bring down, that means that this is the end of our long division process. And then to know the answer to 60 divided by 5, we look at the number on top of the dividend, which in this case is 12. And that is the answer to our division problem. 60 divided by 5 is 12. If you found this video helpful, give us a like or a thumbs up. We will really appreciate it. Also, watch our other math help videos and playlists that we made for you. Keep on learning.